Hello guys, this is Nilesh. Today I am going to show you how we will repair refractory fireboxes, ovens, melting furnaces, boilers, etc. So refractory is basically used to isolate the inner heating to the outer surface of the metal After some time use of furnaces or boilers or fireboxes, the refractory bricks or refractory of the furnace gets damaged. Okay, the bricks falls, or sometimes you will see cracks in the bricks. So it is necessary to repair refractory after some interval of time. So today I will show you how we repaired our refractory of rotary furnace, which is used in aluminum melting. In our furnace you will see that the mouth of the furnace has some broken bricks, and the last part of the furnace is also got broken. So we repaired it from the refractory castable. So let's see how we repaired. Okay guys, see, this is mouth of my furnace. You can see the bricks have been broken, and some bricks have fallen from the surfaces. Okay, and you can see also the gap, and you can see also the inner part, the last part of the furnace. Also there is some damage. The bricks are visible in the furnace. You can see some parts of the bricks has fallen. So guys, you can see this is burner side. After this there is a burner which throws flame from there. So you can see that here the refractory gets damaged very heavily, and these are bricks also are gone from somewhere. You can see this is angle, this is angle, iron angle, and the bricks are also fallen. What we have done is we have given some water to the fallen bricks and that surface, so that castable get stick to it and do not fall. Minimum surface is of castable is required 3 inches. You must have to give 3-inch castable, 2 to 3-inch castable, so that it can stay there. You can see the man is putting the castable. It is mixing it with the water, not much, it's a very regulated water. And see, this is throwing, and you can also use hooks. You can use 1 to 2 inch hooks on the metal part, weld it, and after that you can fill it with the castable. So here we have used two castables. It's one is Caldier's Maxcret, and one is Mahakaushal Super Castable. These both brands manufacture castable in India, and both are reputable. So you can use one of the both to repair your furnace. So you can see we have mixed it with the water, and we are giving it to the furnace. The man is throwing the castable to the furnace and rubbing it to the proper surface to level in the surface. Rub it to the leveling of the surface, and pour it in the gaps properly, so that not any gap remain. So after that full, you can see the refractory has repaired. You can see the mouth also has been repaired. Full castable has been applied. The refractory got repaired very well, and now we can use furnaces for more time. Thank you.